In industrial operations, siloed data can be your worst enemy, leading to inefficiencies, miscommunications, or even worse, downtime. Ask yourself the following 3 questions to learn if your industrial ecosystem is maximizing data connectivity. Question 1. Is your data timely? Does everyone across your manufacturing enterprise have access to real-time data? If not, you're likely missing out on optimal data visibility, faster decision-making, and advanced warning of production changes. Question 2. Is your data integrated? Does all your data come from the same source? Siloed data creates more work for employees and decision-makers alike and prevents integrated views of the entire industrial ecosystem. Question 3. Is your data easy to manage? Do you have a scalable and intuitive data management system? Without simplified means of using your data, you're wasting valuable time and resources across the enterprise. Accessible real-time data presented in an integrated, user-friendly data management solution can transform your plant floor. To learn how you can maximize operations and do more with what you have in your existing industrial ecosystem, download our ebook at kepware.com/improve.